Trevor Saffel here filling in for Center A. Having lost 8 of their last 10 games and only 1 game ahead of the Dodgers, the Giants were in desperate need of a win as they took on the Nationals. We picked this one up in the 4th inning. Giants down 3-0, and newly acquired Eduardo Nunez is going to hit a double in the gap to score 2. Welcome to the club. Then it's a tie game in the 7th when Joe Panik, he's going to hit a sacrifice fly to plate the go-ahead run right here. Giants would add an insurance run later in the inning on a bases-loaded walk, and with the win, they move a game and a half up on the Dodgers, who are currently taking on the Diamondbacks. Well, moving day at the PGA Championship has now been moved to Sunday after thunderstorms halted play during the 3rd round. None of the leaders got a chance to tee off today, but we did see some excitement from the little golf that was played today. Second shot on the 2nd hole for Daniel Summerhays, and you can go ahead and leave the putter in the bag. That's an eagle for Summerhays as he finished the day at 4 under. Then on the same hole from even further back, Ryan Palmer is going to one-up Summerhays with an eagle shot of his own. Leaders remain the same with Jimmy Walker and Robert Streb tied for the lead at 9 under. Round 3 will resume tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. Pacific time. And it's the moment football fans have been waiting for since February. NFL training camps are officially underway in California. The Cowboys are down in Oxnard as usual and are hoping 4th overall pick Ezekiel Elliott can help them improve on an injury-filled 2015 campaign that saw them go 4-12. And for the first time in over 2 decades, the Los Angeles Rams have returned to the University of California, Irvine for the start of their training camp. First overall pick Jared Goff expected to bring a lot of excitement to the team this year as the Rams begin their new era of football in Los Angeles. And it's the final game of the SoCal Division III Championship for the Dos Pueblos Little League All-Stars, but they were unable to get the bats going today as they fall to the Encinitas All-Stars 10-0. But a big congratulations to those Dos Pueblos All-Stars. They had a fantastic summer. The news will return right after this.